Аргентина. Где ты родился, да? Talk about yourself, please.
Okay, in the name of God, my name is Daniel Sadatmand. I was born in Iran. I'm originally from Iran. I'm PhD student in physics in Ferdowsi University of Mashhad. I'm coming here for sabbatical. I want to be here for 6 months to do my research about your country. I have a good feeling about your country because very interesting places and with very good feeling about your people. Your people have a very good emotional about foreigners and I like them.
And what about this trip and about our nature and how you feel? What
Very interesting
impressions?
places, very nature. You have a lot of green places, especially in Ufa. But I don't know anywhere in your country. I mean, any city in your country.
And what about quite about this trip?
This trip?
Now, today, here.
Yes, it is interesting. But we have the same places here like this in our city. Like this, in this area.
In Iran, yes?
Yes, yes. We have some similar area like this in our country.
So you want to say that our nature is look like nature
No,
in Iran?
just this place. Just this
Ah,
place.
just this
place.
place.
Yes.
Oh, great.
Yes.
I want to visit your country.
Okay. I'm very happy to if you want to come to our country.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good trip.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So, все.